Right, DJ Overlanding, welcome to our journey, our vlog of Mapungubwe National Park and World Heritage Site. Right, we've just parked next to the Limpopo River. Zimbabwe over there, on the other bank. Quite a bit of water in the river. It's not chock-a-block full. Oh, look at here, a hippo. The road down by the river. My goodness, this is the road down by the river.
The river road?
Yeah, the river road. Down here if it was raining. Right, so we're going to what they said was Poacher's Corner, and there's supposed to be an old bunker here too, so let's go and have a look-see. There's the Limpopo. Right, I was just wondering who balanced those rocks there like that. Look at that. They're balancing so nicely there on their own. Looks like somebody put them there. It's quite amazing that they stay there, especially the one on top. So here's a view of the dam in Mapungubwe. I'm not too sure how much closer we can get. I think there's a road also that goes around the other side, so we'll go and have a look around there. See what we can see. There we are. Quite a nice view of the dam. It's quite full of water. There's our chori, all decked up. There's a giraffe and there's a little one there, but I'm going to see if I can get my other camera. Right, there's the Mapungubwe Centre. It's now a museum. You have to pay to go in.
You took a contract.
Right, we've arrived at this hide. We're going to go and have a walk down and see. There was swallowed a wildebeest, but Sue says looks like they're leaving. So there we are. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, there's a door at the end.
Oh, can you believe it? They leave.
There's some war dog. And some more wildebeest on that side. Whole lot of impala coming down to the waterhole. It's really great here.
The wildebeest are back on their way. Huge
All the
herd.
birds around.
Huge herd coming.
Big herd of willies coming. I was going to take a picture of it, of a bird now. So there's a whole lot of wildebeest coming into the hide, to the waterhole. First one is drinking. There's Impala. There's a little bird. You can see it. Very lacquer waterhole this. Whoa, how muddy it is. That's quite deep. This is the view out the side of the waterhole. Out of the hide, sorry. There we are. Right, so there's the Limpopo River. We're in Mapungubwe Park. Some crocodiles across there. I suppose you can see them. Right, so this is the Limpopo. That's Botswana over there, on the other bank. There we are, parked next to the Limpopo River. Right, there's a black-backed jackal. Just come down. I was hoping he'd come closer, but it looks like he's going away again. Right, a lot of wildebeest coming down. And there's a warthog playing in the mud there. Makes a noise when they walk in the water, in the mud.
Hoping I don't have to go rescue one.
Stuck in the mud.
Look at the warthog now.
There's a water monitor there. Unfortunately, it's just going in the shade. Right, I'm going to be making some babuti tonight. I would be doing it on the braai, but there's a strong wind, it's cold and a bit of rain, so it's on the stove. Onion. Right, chop up the onion finally. Oil. Soak the bread in the milk. Right, apricot jam. Pepper. Curry powder. Break them into, yeah, so you do that. That's brown. Stir in with the cook away for an hour. Right, so the babuti is cooking away on the pot on the left, the cast iron, and on the right there's some rice. And the wind keeps blowing out the flame. Like, I'm going to mix up egg in the milk. Okay, I'm now going to pour this egg and milk mixture over the top of the babuti. Right, there we are, camping babuti. Doesn't look too shabby, does it? DG Overlanding style.